What's going on, guys? Today we got Walter's EM1. Should be interesting. Walter,
Americanized.
just talking about your EM1, doggy.
Not much to say. VIN matching, B16, shitty frame,
Ooh,
Integra coilovers in the front,
hell yeah.
possibly aftermarket shocks in the back.
Fuck yeah.
Only say that because they're blue.
Nice. Well, fucking let's give a walk around. Give a quick walk around and talk to us.
Oh,
What you got for wheels?
Hankook Ventus V2 Concepts, all season tires. I like them.
Cool.
Gonna get a new pair because there's camber wear,
Ooh.
and on the other side you'll see the fender being away at it.
Oh, on the other side, front of your ride.
Yeah, Yankee RPF one
Hey, but don't forget you got slot driven rotors.
in the back.
Only in the back.
Yeah, to keep my handbrake cool.
Keep your handbrake cool. That's dope. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. And so this is an EM1. You know, this is kind of, well, I mean, I haven't seen an EM1 without the traditional, you know, wing that comes up higher.
In the big wing.
Yeah. Fucking, was this an option to have if you didn't want that, the bigger wing?
I'm actually not too sure. It may have been because I've read online that big wing was an option on all coupes, regardless of whether or not they were an SI. I could be wrong, though.
Could be that, or fucking, could be that the owner fucking sold the other one, or traded the other one, got cash on top for it, and ended up with this one.
Probably.
Either way, it's cool. It's not gonna, you know, you're not gonna feel a lot of fucking downforce just because of that wing. And what you got in for interior? Nothing, huh?
Stock SI interior, apart from the front seats. Those are probably sold or stolen because the car has been stolen.
Ooh.
Can't be a Civic without some zip ties in the passenger seat.
Not sure. And Momo steering wheel.
Oh, I got something for you. I got that
It's a little go-kart wheel.
got that other steering wheel for you.
You got a steering wheel?
Well, yeah, you don't own a Honda, dog. I can't give you shit if you don't own a Honda.
I need a steering wheel.
Yeah, but I got him a stock steering wheel.
Oh.
It's not an ordinary stock steering wheel, but got him a steering wheel, dog.
Alright, cool. I thought you had an aftermarket one or something.
Nah, I don't. Fucking, well, if you guys can notice, or if you guys haven't noticed, we're a little dropped over here. And that's because we got a little bit of frame damage. You want to talk about that?
Practically, or basically, you can't see it through here, but there's like a huge gash where this shock mount is. So if you lift it up and take off the wheel, you're gonna see that it's practically opened. And because of how bad it is, it doesn't sit level. So we've raised the coilovers like a good amount on this side. It sat higher, it looked good, it settled, and now it's back to pretty much just
Shit.
You guys want to
Fender.
see a hole?
Shit, can you see it from there?
Yeah.
Show the viewers.
I don't know if you guys see that giant hole right there.
Oh shit, yeah.
Oh yeah, you can. You can see it from here too.
I don't think that's supposed to be like that. And then right here, where Agent's hand was, is another spot weld's coming apart. Spot weld's coming
Damn.
apart.
So pretty much, we have a homie who works at a body shop, and he's pretty much gonna, what did he say? He's gonna cut up the front end and put another front frame on and re-weld it.
Yeah, pretty much he's gonna chop off what he says I need from another Civic, chop off what I have, and then re-weld it on.
Yeah, I mean, and it's funny because when he bought the car, he brought it over to my house that day, and everything seemed fine. Fucking everything was leveled. It was clean, and then over time, when he was driving the car, you know, when he would come over, I should say, I noticed the car was a little off, and I mean, I didn't think of anything of it. I just thought, you know, the suspension was fucked.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was
still
sagging.
sits unlevel.
Yeah, so then when he bought the coilovers, we when we installed it, I noticed the fucking like the frame or the sheet metal that connects to the frame was like kind of like crumpling up, and I was like, fuck. And he was like, he didn't know. So then, I mean, we didn't really think much of it. And then when he brought it back again, I think what did we do? We did something with your axles. Oh no, we changed your ball joints. We saw that metal was really like just fucked, and that's when we hit up our homie Jesse, and he came, took a look at it, and he said he doesn't recommend, doing what he's gonna do, but I mean, shit, tight budget.
Yeah, I mean, to give you an idea, he's gonna do what I need for like a fifth of the job.
Yeah.
Because I took it to a shop to get a quote. They won't work on it, but they're like, it'd be like $5,000.
Yep. Fucking, so before y'all say, oh, it's a piece of shit, we already know.
Yeah.
I bought it for the chassis and the engine.
But yeah, I mean, the only reason why he's gonna do the jobs because the homie's gonna hook it up. He's gonna do his best, and if it works, hey, it works, and if it doesn't, then I mean, he can always buy a shell. We got the motor, we got the tranny, we got everything that'll just bolt right back up into another EM1, and he can keep the parts that he has on this one for spares, like the dash or the rear seats, the headlights. Yeah, he just keeps parts. So I mean, it's not a complete waste, but we'll see what happens once the job is done and see the end result.
It's a good project car. That's what it is.
Today we're gonna install some hood pins because he wants to be a racer. So
You're chrome. That's
hell
how much of a
yeah.
racer I want to be.
Yeah. Oh wow.
So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that, and we'll do it right now. All right, guys. So we pretty much did one side already. We're gonna go ahead and do the other side. What we did to mark it up, we put toothpaste on the top of the pin, close the hood, and it marked down, where we're gonna have to drill. So that's our point. That's the point that where we're gonna go ahead and drill. The issue we're running into is because the frame is pretty much jacked up. It's raising up the shock tower, and compared to that one, you guys can see.
Under the intake, and this one's above the valve cover,
Yeah.
which is
Shouldn't happen.
above the valve cover.
Yes.
Yeah, see? And then you're just gonna have to like
Oh, we're gonna put that.
little so that the whole
Throw that in, and then fucking
see because the plates don't.
bam. So we're gonna go ahead and do that and show you the result. Go ahead and put these bad boys on. Look at that.
It's painful. Painful to watch.
It ain't easy being breezy. We're gonna have to adjust that, and yeah, that's the finished product
For now.
for now. I mean, it did kind of leveled it. Yeah, so that was pretty much it, guys. I mean, I would want to take it for a test drive, but I mean, with the conditions that it is in, I don't want him driving it too much. I fear for his life.
Plus, I'm leaking for my water pump.
Oh shit, yeah, we have to fix his water pump too. It's leaking. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's stock EM1 with some coils, Yankee wheels, and yeah. You got anything to say? You want to end the video? I don't know. Fuck. Like,
Oh, we
comment,
gotta-
subscribe.
We got to shout
Yeah,
out our
like, comment, and
channels.
subscribe, guys. Battle Hats. You guys already know.
And Walter's starting a YouTube channel called Battle Coop. Ooh.
Battle Group.
Damn, I think I want to jump him now.
Further updates on the
On the
SI.
On the side.
On the SI.
Cool. And before we end it, what are you going to do with your SC?
Me?
Yeah.
Rear lip. And
Coming soon?
Yeah, rear lip and maybe the rear window duck bell. The one
Okay.
that goes above the rear window.
Yeah.
The visor.
Yeah, just little stuff. I mean, I'm not really doing anything major in my car. Maybe a replacement oil kit, filter kit.
Oh, fucking oil filter relocation. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
And,
When are we gonna take? When are we gonna take it for a test drive?
I don't know. Whenever you're ready, bro.
All right, that's cool.
Yeah.
Fucking A. And a quick update with me. I just got word that they finally started ripping apart my SR block. So I gotta see when I can go down there, check that out. But yeah, end of the video. Later, guys.